Morning time, my peeps. Me hear the builder. We'd have to go for one different jackhammer yesterday. Cause the one we did have earlier, it now go out with nothing. That take too long. So we'd have to go get one bigger one. Real heavy duty jackhammer. So right now I hit him in there use. So now I make on a sewer go on. Alright? I'll go in there. Don't think him knows me there yet. Hear the man? It had tear down the place, hear there? Morning, my boss. Bad, yeah. Power. So that what? Oh, forget more power. It not look too bad still. That chop.
Man.
Every duty one this. Yeah, man. Well, yeah, that one you do the work, man.
Yes, man. It's like a mash up.
Yeah. Let's come show the people and so we get a heavy duty one, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, the boss did that one, you know. The one I bought more.
Yeah.
A tool like this in here. First one in here, the angle. One youth and angle did I use it, but tooling can't manage it. And I want wall did I cut down.
Yeah.
Then make the angle here broke.
Oh.
And then in here one that one. All that me could not get, but 2 minutes too really, you know.
Yeah, that's low him.
Yeah. Inside like this.
This is how the little one do, my peeps. The little one, but it'll take whole day. Whole day take for do the whole of your son. Alright, since morning?
Yeah. You see for you, Jaibe?
Yeah.
We throw your salt on him.
In gallop?
No, he don't move. Let me look at him.
Or let me can't show him on the camera. No, me not. In gone, me not show him on the camera. In gone and lift up. Yes, my peeps. So progress, things happen. Remember the part him tell us I got black up, start black up already. So I just couple more, you know. So we get in there, peeps. It's a good look. Alright, so catching you back on the next vlog, my peeps. Big up. Heart of love. Give God the glory.